Broken bat. Base hit, Mike Moustakas. And for Mike Moustakas, that is 17 multi-hit games. And we've been playing this game all year. He still has a tongue depressor as the leftover of his bat. So Rusty Kuntz, if he wants to, can check and see if Moustakas has tonsillitis or not. But Mike Moustakas was 17 multi-hit games, and we've been playing the game. How many this year compared to last year?
Okay, watch his hand. He see in his left hand that piece of wood is stuck in it. He said, "Ah, got a souvenir."